Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you my 6 best affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So guys, if you are new to this affiliate marketing business or you are looking for what are the best affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then guys, this video is for you guys. So without any delay, let I show you my 6 best affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to start your online business or online affiliate marketing business step by step. Right? So guys, my first program is Affiliate Bootcamp Summit by ClickFunnels guys, or you can say by Reference guys. So guys, this is my first affiliate marketing course, or you can say it's a summit guide, right? It's a 4-day summit where you will learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. And in this guys, in summit, there are 15 experts and they have revealed their 100 days blueprint that what they will do to start their affiliate marketing business step by step. And guys, very good thing that these 15 experts are 6-figure entrepreneur. They are 6-figure super affiliate guys. So guys, they have revealed their exact 100 days blueprint that what they will do to start their affiliate marketing business step by step. So guys, yes, if you want to join this 4 days affiliate bootcamp summit, then yes, you can go to affiliatebootcamp.com and then you can join by just clicking on that button. Click here and submit your name, email address, and then click on that button that says click here to register. Guys, it's free guys, you don't have to pay anything, right guys? So yeah, this is my first one. Now second one guys, if you are looking for like in any program that teaches you how to start your affiliate marketing business doing SEO guide, right? Then guys, this program is for you guys. This is SEO affiliate domination by Greg Jeffries guys. He's 6-figure entrepreneur, right? And he is also ClickFunnels Dream Car Contest winner guys. And in this course, he has revealed everything guys, that how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step doing SEO guide, right? Search engine optimization guide, right? So guys, if you're looking for that how to start your affiliate marketing business, then this course is for you guys, right? So you can see Greg Jeffries guys, he's 6-figure affiliate marketer, right? And you can see that some of the results that he has got by doing SEO, right? And he's expert in blogging. He is also expert in YouTube, guys. So yes, you can go through right to his course, right? If you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step doing SEO, guys, search engine optimization, right? So yes, yeah. So yes, if you want to enroll guys, then yes, I think there is a charge for that. Yes, you need to pay 497 guys just to subscribe to his course, right? But guys, it's worth paying your money, guys, right? And now there is another. This is my third one, guys. It is a course by Spencer Mecham. Guys, he has made over $1 million in affiliate commission, guys, just by promoting ClickFunnels, guys. So guys, yes, if you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then yes guys, his course is for you guys, right? His affiliate marketing course is for you, right? And yes, he's also offering a free training, right, where you will learn his 10K case study guys, right? So yes, if you want, then yes, you can go through his course guys, Spencer Mecham, right? So this is my third best affiliate marketing course. And now fourth one is, yes, this is by John Crestani guys. He is another 6-figure entrepreneur guys, and he has his free training and where you will learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step guys. So yes, if you want, you can go through his free training guys, right? And there is another guys, yes, it is my 5th affiliate marketing course that you can go through, and It is by Clickbank University, guys, right? What you can say. So guys, yeah, this is another course that you can go through, right? Where you will learn that how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. And yes, guys, you will also learn how to sell your own product as a vendor, guys, as a vendor of Clickbank, right? So yes, if you want, then you can go through, right? Clickbank University. You can see that, guys. Yes, Justin Atlan and Adam Hort, they will teach you how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? Now there is another program that is CB, passive income, guys, right? So yes, it is a course by Patrick Chen, right? So yes, guys, this is another course that if you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business, then yes, you can go through this course by Patrick Chen, Clickbank Passive Income, right? So yes, it is another good training where you will learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right, guys? So guys, now you know my 6 best affiliate marketing course, guys, where you will learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, guys, right? So let I recap it, guys. Right, first one is affiliate bootcamp training, guys. It is by Russell Brunson, right? Where you are going to learn from world's top 15 experts, where they have revealed their 100 days blueprint, guys, right? That what they will do and how they will do to start their online affiliate marketing business, guys. And let I show you that, guys. And these are the experts, guys, right? Stephen J. Larson, Dave Gambriel, Rachel Patterson, Peng Jung, Jim Edwards, Greg Jeffries, guys. You can see that, guys, his course, right? So this one, guys, I'm talking about this course, right? So yes, he's also offering his course, and he's also offering his 100 days blueprint, guys, right? And Jacob Carey's, Dana Derrick's, John Maro, Foglio, Spencer Mecham, guys, right? Let I show you his course, guys. Yes, this one, guys, right? So you can go and check it out, his 100 days blueprint, guys, through this affiliate bootcamp summit, right? Madeline Beard, J.R. Rivas, Joe Rhodes, Tyler, and Billy Zane. So yes, these are the top 15 experts. They have revealed their 100 days blueprint, that what they will do to start their affiliate marketing business step by step. So they have revealed their 100 days blueprint, 100 days plan, right? So yes, if you are looking for something for free, then yes, this training is for you, right? And there is another one that I have shown you, this one, guys, by Greg Jeffries, guys, right? This one. So yes, if you are looking for any training that teaches you how to start your affiliate marketing business doing SEO, then yes, this is for you. And yeah, this is another course, third one by Spencer Mecham, guys. If you are looking for affiliate marketing business, that how to start, then this is for you, guys. In this course, he has revealed his paid traffic sources as well as free traffic sources. So yeah, it's a good training to go through, right? And this is another course by John Crestani, guys. Yep, you can go through his free training if you want. Then there is another by Clickbank, guys. It's a Clickbank University program that you can go through to learn about affiliate marketing business. And last one is by Patrick Chen, right? CB Passive Income, right? So yeah, you can go through his training if you want to learn his Patrick Chen, right? So yes. So now, guys, you know my 6 best affiliate marketing course, guys, right? And to let me know if you have any questions, right? If you have any questions, comment below and I will answer, right, guys? And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share, and comment it. And yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because on alternate basis or on daily basis, I put out some great training that are related to affiliate marketing business, that are really helpful in our affiliate marketing business, guys. So like if you are looking for any good tips, tricks, then yes, this channel is for you, right? So yes, go and subscribe to my channel, guys. Right, guys? So guys, these are my 6 best affiliate marketing course. You can just go and check out, and down below I'm also putting the link so that you can check out, guys. Right, guys? So yes, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.